Hey guys, I'm so excited. I am here today with
Danica Coakley from DC Woodworks.
And I'm Chelsea L from Remax Nova, home design fanatic, and we're so excited because we're gonna take my bathroom from being an ordinary bathroom
to a bathroom full of personality.
Woohoo! Okay, so one of the things that drives me nuts with feature walls or anything that should be staggered is when they're too lined up on the wall. So how are we gonna combat that?
Yeah, I totally agree. So what I'm gonna do here is we've started with a full length. And then we're going to do them in halves and in thirds. They don't have to be exactly halves and thirds.
Yeah.
Just as long as the joints don't come within like 10 to 12 inches of each other.
Okay, cool. And what are these numbers saying on the back?
So the numbers are that when you get in the house and you go to put them up on your wall, you're not trying frantically to figure out what is going on. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. I'm so excited to see it on the wall. Okay guys, we're now in the bathroom, as you can see. And so the first time we did this project in the master bedroom, we used a nail gun and I had to fill all the nail holes. And as much as I enjoyed doing that, we're making it even easier. So what are we doing?
Well, we thought of you guys, and we're gonna be using a $10 caulking gun, $7 a tube. For this wall, we probably need 3 tubes. And that way you don't have any nail holes to fill at the end of your project, and it's all gonna go up smoothly.
Okay, wicked. So the one thing we did notice with our first piece though is we're gonna make sure that you hold down the ends to let the glue, or sorry, PL, dry a little bit, and that it's not going to be puckering out at the edges. So let's get to work. Lied.
Small lie.
So you do have to use finished nails and a hammer. Can't be lazy.
The PL didn't allow us enough time for it to cure, so we just had to tack a couple in the sides and then we're good to go.
Doesn't take that long. Let's move on. Okay, as you can see, it's all done now. Now I'm going to show you what we did. So clearly the wall's all finished. We did use those finished nails. They actually weren't a pain in the butt. I painted right over them. They're fine. They worked great. Next thing I did was take some of the pieces that were already in the bathroom, because I didn't want to buy new ones, and just sprayed them black. And now everything matches. One thing in particular that it matches is my awesome new hexagon shelf from DC Woodworks, which I love. Thank you. And on top of that, I finished off everything in here with a trip to IKEA to get some of these cute little items. Okay, and I want to say a huge thank you to DC Woodworks, because my house, I feel like every other room got some major attention. This was my last battle. She definitely helped me with this DIY. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And I love my hexagon shelf, which is her signature. Go check it out on her channel.
And DIYs are my favorite because this is how you can get a beautiful bathroom with lots of personality on a budget.
Cheers to that, sister.